Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot. Hey, people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we're only going to be using one account to do this. Now, most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, so they can trust the system, they know it works. But we're only going to start with one account just to see if we can get the ball rolling for you guys and get this going and kind of show you the results that you get just starting. You know what I mean? With just one account. And you can imagine what you can do with multiple. Anyway, you may get better results than me. You might get worse results than me. I don't truly know what you make, but I'm showing you what I'm doing, and what I'm making from doing it. You know what I mean? So that's all I can really do. You're interested in following along, guys. The links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all the things, and let's get started. All right, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting $25 all-in-one digital business, because essentially it's a really good product. It's a funnel builder, you know, $25 funnel builder with no limitations. That's pretty that's really good already. You know what I mean? It's a easy to connect domains. You can make it in a funnel page. There's no limitations to what you want to do on this funnel builder. And anybody that knows what a funnel builder is, it's essential for online marketing, online making money online in general. You know, you have a system built around making passive income. That's what a funnel builder is usually about. And yeah, the most popular funnel builder out right now is ClickFunnels, and I believe it's $97 per month. And there's a ton of people in ClickFunnels, but you have a bunch of limitations as well. You can only make a certain amount of funnels. Only a certain amount of people can look at your funnel, all kinds of stuff like that, right? And if you want there to be no limitations on it, you have to pay $300 per month, guys. $300 per month. I used to pay it. That's insanity. That's paying for this for a whole year. You know what I mean? So yeah, it's a really good product. That's the first reason. The second reason, I think the reason you guys are interested and why I was interested initially into acquiring this program is because of its affiliate system. Its affiliate system is 80% recurring commissions. That is literally unheard of. The best before this is 40%. I don't heard 40%. 80% is ridiculous. That's so good. That is so good. Company's not greedy at all, guys. 80% is insane. Like it really is. And basically with 80%, you can easily build up an income for yourself. So you don't even have to try that hard. Once you get sales, and they stay in. That's what recurring means. This is a recurring program. And this is what I recommend you promote. It's a recurring program, so you can build up income. You know what I mean? Instead of getting one sale and then you have to struggle getting that certain amount of sales next month and the next month. No, the sales build up, so you start getting recurring sales, which is important. That's how I've been building up income with this program and why I've been promoting it, guys. All right, so anyway, guys, let's get to it here. Looking at our results here, we're gonna refresh the page to show real results, guys. Make sure people refresh when they show you real results. All right, don't believe it if they don't refresh it. All right, let's do it. All right, guys, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. That's totally okay and fine. I know early in the month I don't really get many sales, so I'm not really stressing about that. So yeah, man, and we building up slowly here. We did get I think we got a recurring sale here. So, but ultimately we don't really get sales at the beginning of the month too well. But it's all fine, you know, because I know eventually it will be littered with sales as long as I continue doing what I'm doing. Because like I stated before, a sale is so valuable when it's recurring products. So valuable, guys. So any little sale, if they stay in the system, you're getting paid for the rest of your life. You know, if they stay in that system that long. But anyway, guys, let's keep it moving here. We're gonna go ahead and go to My Lead Gen Secrets here. Gonna click on select all here. Now we're just gonna load up the next email here. Got on our list here, right here. Just upload it. Boom, boom. No problem, no problem. See that? It's already uploaded. This is the email. The entire email is so short. It don't take no time at all. And you can copy that if you want to, you know. And we're just gonna hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does in email around people to check emails. And you want to make sure you put your link in there. The link that you want to use, guys, want to make sure I clarify this. All-in-one $25 business. This promotes the $20 recurring commissions, and also the $100 recurring commission, guys. It promotes both of these. That's why you want to promote this page in particular. This is the one I had the success with. All right, guys. So you're gonna pick that right here, and that's pretty much it. Make sure the link works with preview. I know mine works because I already sent this email before, and you just hit send. You're done. That's all it takes, guys. Very easy, very quick, very simple. Take you less than a minute a day to do that. Once you got your emails in there, only take you less than a minute, and you can build up some income, extra income, guys. That's all it is. You gotta take the first step, though. You know what I mean? You gotta take the first step. You gotta try. You know what I mean? And 90% of people won't try already. They already giving up. And the people that succeed in these things, in these products and stuff, are people that tried. You know what I mean? Tried doing things. I'm constantly trying stuff in the background to see if it works for me, guys, and see if I can give it to you guys. But once it worked for me, I'll make a video about it. But yeah, you gotta try, guys. You gotta give it a shot. You gotta sit down and say, okay, I'm gonna give this a serious shot and see what happens. If it don't work, it don't work. You know, but at least you tried. It could change your life. So give it a shot. 90% of people, I want to say even higher than that, 98% of people are not gonna try this, even though it is clear as day that this works. Or I'm showing you the absolute results that this is working for me. And a lot of people won't try it. But you, 1%, the 1% that do try, gets results. You know what I mean? So anyway, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Links in the description below. You're interested in following along. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.